We got a Modelo Chelada trying to fit in. What's up, y'all? It's Thursday, we quarantined, but we escaped. We out here in the war zone. We're gonna go get some local brews. So we'll tell you all about that in a minute. On the way over there, we're gonna have a few bars, throw down a little freestyle. Let's check the selection. If y'all don't know, it's a 40th anniversary of Sierra Nevada. We're gonna go with Big Wave Golden Ale. That's the one. What up, y'all? It's a quarantine Thursday. We got a little sunny patch in the rain. We went out here and got us a Big Wave Golden Ale. Nice little brew by Kona Brewing Co. You already know it's a nice little tropical, easy brew for an easy day. We're gonna pop this one open for a little pour session.
Cause he teaching well. Dropped out of school, I'ma teach myself. Made my first meal on my own, I don't need your help. All black, Tom Ford, it's a special week. City council meeting, they got hustle speaking. $1 billion project about to crack the cement. So one of our investments has become strategic. Summer 18, man, such a season. About to make my partners look like fucking genius.
A little extra foam for the
We was in the Regal, it was me and Steve. We done took a dream and turned it to a scene. Anything cheers, I wanted, everything I needed. Gotta pace yourself, it's all about your baby. You can have it all, it's all about your race.
Immaculate.
Took my name and carved it in the cement.